got that shit.
It's the second one.
Oh my gosh! I got that one. Wow, I wonder if that shit's touching down over there. I am recording. I didn't pause it because it takes too long to put the video in storage. The longer the video, it takes longer to like put it away. That's a freaking lightning storm, man.
See the water coming down right now.
Where?
The ditch right here.
Oh.
Now they're back there.
It's
Oh, a bunch of water coming down.
yeah.
92.3 with everything that rocks. Soundgarden to Aerosmith. 92.3, the rock station.
Attorney Adam Stokes for half-price lawyers. You're broke, so don't overpay
Whoa.
for bankruptcy. We've helped thousands get a fresh start, and we'll beat any lawyer's price in Vegas on anything we do.
I know.
$100 down,
Whoa.
and the friendliest payments in town. Fees excluded. Welcome to McDonald's. May I take your order?
Yeah, I'll have the new premium grilled chicken classic sandwich.
I love that sandwich.
We did it again.
Okay.
You go first.
No, you.
I was
my
just
God.
saying. Weird.
Introducing a brand new taste in perfect harmony. McDonald's new premium chicken sandwiches. A new chicken breast filet with oven roasted flavor on a new soft bakery style bun.
Yeah.
It's the simple joy of a delicious combination. To participating McDonald's.
Saturday, July 30th, the joint at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino hosts World Championship Kickboxing with the most impressive collection of international fighters Las Vegas has seen in years. Adlan Galani of Hong Kong meets Tivan Forturek of Bosnia for the IKA
Yep.
Super Heavyweight title. Also in action, Edwin Aguilar of Mexico, and from Las Vegas, Sean Yarborough. 8 fights total, first fight $7.
Whoa.
Tickets start at $25.
Got that one.
At the Hard Rock through Ticketmaster and Ticketmaster.com. Pro kickboxing like never before.
I'll let it go to like 5 minutes, okay?
Been injured in a car accident, struggling to deal with the
Okay,
doctors,
Felicia?
insurance companies, the mechanics, and the headaches that come with
What
each
happened?
time from work, in pain,
Oh my
worried about how you
God.
can recover both physically
Are you
and financially
serious?
from the accident, wondering who you can trust to fight for you. I'm attorney Michael Gowdy, and I can help you. For the past 18 years, I've helped hundreds of clients recover millions in compensation for their injuries.
They're up all over him.
Catchy nickname or corny jingle. What I do have are the brains,
Good girl.
and the guts to fight for you. If you're injured in an accident, you're entitled to compensation for your medical bills, property damage, lost wages.
You
and
gotta wait, Isaiah, until we pull
insurance
over.
Companies want to pay you as little
She
as
threw up in your lap or what?
your maximum recovery. It's my job.
Well, get your blanket and wipe it up. Your blanket's already dirty, so just we'll wash it when we get to Auntie's. Felicia, call her over here. Okay. Oh, poor baby. You're okay, Mama. I can't hear shit.
Vehicles with 40 miles per gallon.
Did you wipe it up?
Like up to $4,500 cash back on F-150, $2,000 cash back on Future, or 0% for 6
Whoa, I got that one.
or up to $3,000.
I wonder why she's throwing them now and not in the other one.
To the fourth best
I don't know.
The car.
I think it's because she can't see outside,
Yeah.
and the other one she can see outside. Right now she's at a point where she can't see outside, so it's making her car sick.
What? If you have clothes. What, did she throw up on your pants or what? Oh, do what you gotta do.